Hello everyone, welcome to this Informatica support video on CDMP API usage with Rest Accelerator. My name is Rohit and today I will guide you through an exciting journey on how to leverage the CDMP Rest Accelerator to simplify and accelerate your REST API integrations with Cloud Data Marketplace platform. Here's what we will cover in this session. Introduction to CDMP REST Accelerator, setting up and configuring REST Accelerator followed by a quick demo. So what is CDMP REST Accelerator? As we all know, to call a data marketplace API, we typically use an application integration system service action. This requires designing and execute data marketplace API type system service action within the application integration. So this REST Accelerator is a pre-built solution designed to enable rapid integration of REST APIs within the CDMP. It acts as a bridge, facilitating seamless data exchange between CDMP and external applications. The accelerator simplifies REST API consumption, supporting a wide range of data management use cases. It significantly reduces the need for custom development, allowing you to deploy your integrations faster and more efficiently. Setting up and configuring the REST Accelerator. So here are the quick steps on how we can download the REST Accelerator pack and import them into CAI. So here is the link where we can download the REST Accelerator pack, and once the package has been installed, we can extract and see for the necessary processes depending upon the use case, and we can import them into our CAI. As soon as the process has imported into CAI, we can configure a IICS username and we can publish the process. Let's dive into a quick demo and see how we can make use of this CDMP REST Accelerator. So here is the quick link for CDMP REST Accelerator pack. In this knowledge base article, we have a detailed information on how can we download the REST Accelerator pack and import them into CAI and hit the APIs. So here are the download links for REST Accelerator pack, which will redirect us to Informatica Marketplace, and we have a download button to get the REST Accelerator pack. So this will download a zip file named CDMP publish followed by a version into your local machine. We can unzip this particular file, and this will basically have a README document which has a detailed information on how this REST Accelerator pack can be utilized. So within this, we will have all the CDMP public APIs which are available, and we can make use of multiple use cases. So let's take a categories as an example in this demo and see how we can create categories using CDMP REST Accelerator pack. So inside this categories, we have two files available. One is Postman collection and one is a zip file. So this zip file can be imported directly into CAI, and we can hit the CDMP APIs. And we can also make use of external REST clients such as Postman and hit the CDMP APIs. In those scenarios, we can make use of this Postman collection and import them into Postman and hit the CDMP APIs. So let's log into CI application and see how we can import this particular process and how can we utilize it. So this is my application integration UI, and I have created a project called CDMP REST demo. So here we will import the zip file we just downloaded. So yeah, here is the CDMP category zip file which is available, and I can open it. So in the target folder, I can choose a project in which I wanted to save this, and I can publish it and click on import. So this will import the CAI process into our particular project. We can go to explore, and as we can see, this process has been imported. So users can go to start, and here under allowed users we will have to enter our IICS username. So in my scenario I will enter my username. Yeah, so I can click on save and I can click on publish. So now this CAI process is ready to use. So here there are multiple actions. One is, for creating a category or modifying a category or deleting a category or to retrieve the category information. So since we are trying to create a category, let's try to run this CDMP categories process and see if it is creating a categories in my data marketplace. So as I said, we can run this CI process directly in CI application, or we can use any REST clients like Postman and we can execute it from there as well. So in order to do that, we can import the postman collection which we have into our postman. So here's what how it will look. So it has retrieve categories, create, modify, and delete. So since we are trying to create, we can make use of this. So as soon as we publish the CAI process into CAI, we can click on these three dots, and we have something called property details. So we can get a REST service URL from here, click on copy, and we can paste it in the postman. Okay, so this is how JSON body looks like, and we can mention a action that we are going to create categories. So similarly for retrieve, it will be retrieve, and modify for modify categories. And here we can pass the payload, like this will be my category name followed by description. And in case if we wanted to add a data owners, that also we can add. So let's take example CDMP REST category. So in the authentication, we can use basic auth, and we can pass our IICS username and password, and we can directly hit this API. Yeah, so API execution is completed. Now we can directly go to our CDMP application and see if the category we just executed is available or not. And here is my CDMP UI, and we will verify if the category we just created is available over here or not. We can click on browse, and here is the category called CDMP REST category we just created using REST Accelerator. So in a similar way, we can run all the CDMP public APIs which are available using REST Accelerator pack. And in case of any queries, suggestions, or feedback, please reach out to us through the following two links. And thank you for watching the video.